Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Put the watch snugly above your wrist bone so sensors read reliably. Once on, unlock and open the workout app. Select the workout type that matches your activity. If you don't see it, choose Other and name it later. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off or set to Workout so you get real-time alerts. Start with a quick warm-up. The watch immediately begins tracking distance, heart rate, and active calories, so don't delay, tap Start now. Once you're moving, glance at the display to check heart rate, pace, and elapsed time. These metrics guide intensity. Use the digital crown to scroll through metrics or switch views and press the side button to reach controls fast. If you need a break, tap Pause. This preserves lap data and autosaves later. For water workouts, turn on lock screen to prevent accidental taps. Make sure glanceable goals are set before you hit peak effort. To finish, swipe or press End, then save the workout so it uploads to the app. Once saved, open the fitness app on your iPhone to review splits, cadence, and heart rate zones for analysis. That helps you plan the next session. If numbers look wrong, make sure the watch fits snugly, update watchOS, and recalibrate by walking 20 minutes outdoors using GPS. If issues persist, restart the watch and iPhone. That resolves most sync or sensor glitches and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.